So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom voice using AI that you can use to create your tech tutorials or anything or any video that you upload on YouTube. You can even customize it that you can achieve any level of sound quality from it. Now, in order to create a virtual voice, just simply open any of the browser you have, go to this website that is 11labs.io. Now under here, just simply log in for free. Now, once you log in, when you scroll down, you'll see this option of voice design. Just simply click over there. Now it will ask you to, now you need to just simply enter a prompt of the audio that you want to design. Now here you can see there's a sample prompt. You can see a deep blooming male voice of massive evil odds in his middle ears. You can describe whatever the audio you want and just simply generate voice, and you'll notice that whatever description have you given of audio, an audio is generated on the same. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.